Hi, Teo. This is Tom. Regarding your question for Las Virgenes, being able to access eFit and/or have a demo account, I just turned on the demo at Facilitron and the practice at Facilitron user accounts to access eFit. So they go and are part of Acme right now. So you could give them those usernames. Somebody did change the password, I think, on demo. So I don't know what the demo password is, but presumably that's circulating somewhere at Facilitron. That said, what you could also do is you can assign a user at Las Virgenes to eFit. So to do that, of course, you just go to Las Virgenes, do your update. Okay. I will mention before I go to the splash page that on your profile, if just make sure that the inspection administrator is checked. If it isn't, go ahead and check that and hit update, which gives you access to eFit. I'll go ahead and go to splash page, and now we can see that we're in Las Virgenes. I will, and I am surprised to see they have no active work orders in the receipt button, so they are in fact closed and on it. That being said, over on the jump menu, you will see Facilitron Inspections. That's just temporary name for eFit. I'll go ahead and click that. And then what you can do is on eFit, under Configuration, go to Configuration and then to People. And then under People, this is going to show you all of the eFit users or all the persons who have an eFit role in Las Virgenes. Right now it's just me. So I'm just going to hit Show All System-Wide Users, Apply Filter. And now this is going to show me everybody in Las Virgenes. So I can go to whomever, let's just say it's, let me see if I can find somebody in maintenance here who's an administrator, order administrator. Oh, that's that. I don't see anybody, so I'll just take Andrea here and say, so for Andrea Aguirre, I can click on Andrea. Here's their user profile. If I click Inspection Administrator and hit Update Roles, this is going to add the jump menu to Andre and allow Andre to come into eFit and add inspections, mess around with it, and kick the tires. So anyhow, just wanted to give you a quick little overview of how you could do that if you needed to on the fly. Hope your day's going great. Thanks. Bye. Oh, actually, before I say bye, I should mention too, this is officially beta testing, so we're not done with this. So, you know, we do want to clarify that this is our next big thing. The ETA on this is we're working on it this year, and then our actual completion. Actually, I don't know. We keep adding stuff to our to-do list. So we're doing a whole bunch of new conversions that were just dumped on our plate. So that slides any work on this several months. So we're not even going to be touching this for a couple months. But this is going to be our next big thing. You might be able to safely say this is our next big thing for release next year. I think that would be safe to say. When next year? We don't know, but that's our basic goal. And it's a sliding goal based on how much stuff keeps getting added between now and when we get to work on this next. But anyhow, so hopefully this will help. Any questions, give me a holler, and I hope everything's going great. Thanks.